Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar rose 0.5% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 3.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes fell as a grim outlook from Target spurred fresh concerns for retailers heading into the crucial holiday season, while semiconductor shares slumped broadly after Micron's supply cut. Exchange-traded fund providers are busy working towards submitting applications to launch retail-oriented crypto futures ETFs after the local regulator announced it would open the door to such products. The dollar rebounded as strong US retail data cast doubt on the recent narrative that inflation is in retreat and US interest rates need not rise too much further.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US existing home sales will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. The Portuguese current account balance at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.